So whenever someone asks me, should I choose the old regime or new regime? The first thing I hear is there are no deductions in new regime. But is that really true? Not exactly. Yes, many popular deductions are not available, but saying there are absolutely no deduction is actually a misconception. In today's video, I will show you the deductions that are still available under the new tax regime and explain one benefit that surprises many taxpayers. So stay till the end. Hey everyone, welcome back to NeethuOnStage, where we simplify the finance, taxation and investing. If you are filing your income tax return or deciding between the old and new regimes, this video is for you. Let's get started. What changed in new tax regime? The new tax regime offers a lower tax rate and a simpler tax structure. In return, the government has removed many exemptions and deductions that were available under the old regime. That's why many people assume nothing can be claimed in new regime. But that's not completely true. Let us see what is still available in new regime. First one, standard deduction. The first and most common deduction is the standard deduction. If you are a salaried employee or a pensioner, you can claim Rs 75,000 under the new tax regime. You do not have to submit bills or proof. If you are eligible, it's automatically available while computing your taxable salary. And the second one is employer's NPS contribution. The next deduction is under section 80 CCD2. Many people confuse this with their own NPS investment. Your personal NPS contributions under 80 CCD 1B is not available in the new regime. However, if your employer contributes your NPS account, that contribution is still eligible for deduction, subject to the prescribed limits. So, check your salary structure before filing your return. And the third deduction, family pension deduction. If someone receives a family pension after death of a family member, they can claim the prescribed deduction under the new regime as well. Although this does not apply to everyone, it's an important benefit for eligible taxpayers. And the fourth one is Agnivir Corpus Fund. For eligible individuals covered under the Agnipad scheme, deductions relating to the Agnivir Corpus Fund continues to be available in new regime. And the fifth one is the home loan MIG. Now let us discuss the deduction that creates the most confusion. Many people say home loan interest deduction is not available in new regime. That's only partly correct. Let's understand the difference. Self-occupied house. Suppose you purchased a house for your own residence, that is self-occupied house, right? So you pay Rs 2 lakh as home loan interest during the year. Under the old regime, you could claim this deduction under section 24B subject to the applicable limit. But under the new regime, this deduction is not available. So for a self-occupied property, you cannot reduce your taxable salary using a home loan interest. But in case it is of a let out property. Now imagine you own a property that is rented out. You receive rental income. While calculating your income from house property, you can still deduct municipal taxes paid wherever applicable, the standard deduction of 30% on the net value and the home loan interest. So yes, home loan interest is still considered while computing income from a let out property. However, here is the very important point. If the calculation results in a loss, you cannot adjust that loss against your salary or other income under the new tax regime. This is where many taxpayers get confused. So, let us summarize. Under the new tax regime, you can still claim the following deductions. First one is standard deduction of Rs 75,000 for eligible salaried employees and pensioners. Second one, employers NPS contribution. Third one is family pension deduction. Then fourth, Agnir Corpus related one. Then home loan interest while calculating income from a let out property, you can claim as a deduction. If it is only let out property, you can claim. So next time when someone says there are no deductions in new tax regime, you will know that it's not entirely correct. I hope this video helped to clear one of the biggest misconceptions about the new tax regime. If you found it useful, like this video, share it with someone who's filing their income tax return, and subscribe to NeethuOnStage for simple and practical finance content. If you need professional help with your income tax return or tax planning, feel free to contact NeethuOnStage. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.